अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे।
Bollywood actress Kajol has recently sparked controversy after an incident at the Maharashtra State Film Awards 2025 held in Mumbai.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे।
Kajol, who attended the event with her mother and veteran actress Tanuja, was seen speaking mostly in Marathi and English while answering questions from the media.
मला हा पुरस्कार ह्या दिवशी भेटतोय, सो इट इज अ व्हेरी डे मोठा दिवस आहे माझ्यासाठी.
But things took a turn when a reporter requested Kajol to repeat her statement in Hindi.
आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी की आज माझी आई पण आहे माझ्याबरोबर आणि तिला पण हा पुरस्कार भेटला होता अगोदर, तर इट्स अ व्हेरी बिग डील फॉर
Kajol, visibly annoyed, snapped back.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे.
The video quickly went viral online, stirring mixed reactions and disappointment from many netizens.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे.
Some users expressed strong criticism of Kajol's reaction. One social media user commented, "हिंदी से एक्ट्रेस बनी वरना पता नहीं कहाँ होती, अब मराठी बोलकर नेता बन रही है. Disgraceful." Another wrote, "If she feels uncomfortable and ashamed to speak in the Hindi language, then she should stop working in Bollywood Hindi movies. She should drop her double standards." Others questioned Kajol's choice to work in Hindi films while showing such attitude towards the language. One user wrote, "Why they forget that it's Indian cinema and Hindi films that gave her stardom, and also why to become biased for one language. She should have done non-Hindi films. जिनको समझना और देखना होता फिल्म वो देख लेते." Another comment read, "Why she is working in Hindi films? She should work in Marathi films only. If they don't respect and hate Hindi, why do and translate or movie in Hindi?"
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे.
Kajol's reaction has certainly added fuel to the ongoing language debate in Maharashtra, raising questions about language, culture, and identity.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे.
What do you think? Should actors adapt to local languages? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bollywood updates.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे, जिसको समझना है वो समझ लेंगे.